What's that? What's that?
Hang on.
96.1 classic radio.
Just, okay.
It looks like me!
Yeah, oh my God. Okay, listen. I'm gonna drop you at the South Station, and you can get on a Greyhound and head back to wherever it is you came from.
What? Did you say a Greyhound?
Yeah, a Greyhound bus.
They're turning Greyhounds into buses? Typically they just become footmen. Actually, they would be faster than a pumpkin.
Okay. Stop! Stop! Don't you have somewhere else that you can go?
No, not locally. Oh, except for those lovely princes in the alley so that I could stay with them as long as I didn't mind sharing knitting needles.
Okay. All right, here, take this money and just get yourself something to eat.
Oh, thank you. I am really hungry.